Hey there, today we're going to look at GPT for Google Forms, how to create quizzes faster. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com and log in with your Google account. Over here, click on the new button on the left side. After that, from the drop down, select Google Forms. Then a blank form will open in a new tab. Over here, click on Untitled Form at the top and give your quiz a name. After that, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Then select the option to make this a quiz. Over here, click on the three dots in the top right and choose Add-ons. After that, search for GPT for Google Forms Quiz Builder and install it. Then click on Launch to open the Quiz Builder. Over here, start adding questions by typing them in or generating them using the tool. After that, click on Add to Form to include them in your quiz. Then repeat the same process until all questions are added. Over here, review everything and make final adjustments. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.